Hey guys, what's up? Jason at Lincoln Social. Today we're going to unbox the Rodecaster Pro Professional Rode Podcasting Station. Really excited about this. I've read a lot of reviews. I'm into podcasting and we're ready to launch and start doing some great interviews. So we did a lot of research to find out which podcasting setup would be best for us. And we found that the Rode Podcaster Pro has everything all in one. So today we're going to unbox it together. Here we go. First of all, it's always great and very important to have a high quality mic. If you're going to have high quality professional studio equipment, it's only going to be as good as the microphone that's taking the sound in. So for that, we elected to go with the Procaster, which is the Rode mic. There's actually a setting that comes in the Procaster Studio that's set up for all the different Rode mics. There's a $100 mic, a $230 mic, and then it goes all the way up to like $500 mics. The Procaster is going to run you right about $230, but the sound and the quality is much better. And these also have a 1-year warranty, but if you register online and send it in, you get a 10-year extended warranty. So that's really great, super high quality. We use this for making our movies and for our DSR camera recording equipment. And next, you need a shock mount. Shock mounts are really great. If you use just a stand on a table, I found that there's a lot of background noise that'll be picked up, like if you set your cup down or if somebody moves something across the table, the mic will pick that up through the stand. So what the shock mount allows it to do is it helps cut down the vibration of what's going on in your environment, if you accidentally hit the microphone, or if the table's bumped into. So definitely the shock mount, I do believe, runs you probably right at about, what's it, $50, $100, something like that. Forget the exact price on this, but it's really great product, and it's definitely something to go hand in hand with a high quality mic. I went to B&H website, B&H Photography, and they have the Rodecaster Pro and the kit that has the microphones, cables, memory card, everything you need to get up and launching, including handy dandy telescoping mic stands for, there's all kinds of different price ranges. They have one that starts out, I do believe, like $1,400, and the sky's the limit. You can get all professional mics, and you're right at like the $2,500 mark. So yeah, super excited about this. The Procaster mic, just real quick, when you pick this thing up, you realize it is super heavy. The quality, the craftsmanship, it's solid. It has a really nice carrying case. It's a Rode zipper, leather. Comes with all the instructions and stuff in the box. And when you hold this mic, this just really, it's got some weight to it. Super high quality. The mount to the back will mount to a tabletop stand, or it'll also, you can screw it right onto your telescoping arm. We'll get back to that demo in a minute, but you can put it right on your telescoping arm and bam, hands-free mic, wherever you like to put it. Really great feature. And with the shock mount, if the table's bumped, it'll literally fit right into your side and be out of your way and not be on the table. It's a great option to consider. This is what the shock mount looks like. It's got this really strong cord that suspends the mic, and it just reduces the vibration a lot. I work at the studio at 97.9 WTF in Harrisville, and we have these shock mounts in the studio there, and I can just tell a huge difference between talking into a straight hand mic and not. And then next, you're gonna need some high quality cables. High quality cords. Don't spare no expenses. Get gold plated. Get something really high quality. You're gonna notice a better sound. And the durability of these cords will last a lot longer too. I forget the exact price, but this actually came in the combo kit that I got. I got the combo that came with mics, stands, cables, everything. Plug and play. Really great deal. Check them out. I'm promoting them because they have great products. Also, then you'll need a ScanDisk card. This just plugs into the caster and records everything on there. So you don't have to have a computer on hand everywhere you go or a laptop everywhere you go. So this makes this truly mobile, which is really exciting. And then later on, you can just pop the SD card into your computer or your laptop and you can edit it or just straight upload it. So really great option. And the SD card came with the kit too. Now, for the best part, the part that I've been really waiting for and I'm super excited about, opening the Podcaster Pro. Now these sell online. Just the unit itself is right at $600 or $700. That's without microphones, but it is all in one unit. So you have your soundboard, your mixing, you got sound effects, you got the headphone output adjustment for each person, and digital soundtrack and touchscreen all in one. So yes, Rodecaster Pro. Let's open it up. This got some weight to it too. This is definitely not like, you know, picking up like a VCR or something like that. So as I'm opening up the box, the first thing I see is really big cue cards. And it has a layout of the touch and all the options. And then on the back, it has everything in English and then the different languages for how to use for connectivity. That's a really big cue card, and it's 2 paragraphs. So that seems like that'll be really easy to read and go over. And then the next one, this one is going over all the power buttons, everything, all the touch controls, large colored touchscreen for accessing settings, presets, etc. That's number 1. That's really great. Everything seems really simple. I haven't read all the instructions on this. We're opening it together. So, but if this is the instructions on the cue card, this is going to be great. This is going to be really, really user friendly. And then we have another cue card. Okay, on this cue card, it's numbered 1 through 8, and the directions are simple. Connecting your microphone, and it has all the colors, all the pictures, how to do it step by step. Connecting your phone, because this is Bluetooth enabled. Normally you have to have a third-party device to hook up your cell phone so you can take phone calls. No, Rode and put it all into one. Complete package. Great job, you guys. Really liking this so far. And then it shows you how to connect your phone via Bluetooth and also via headphone jack, so you can like play music. And you can also do, like I said, the phone interviews. Have a caller call in, they call on your phone, and it eliminates the feedback. There's a software in there that eliminates the feedback from the person that's listening to the podcast while they're talking to you. Really, really sweet. The music jack, through 1 through 4, and then on the back is showing you how to record, the SD card, how to connect your headphones, and how to connect speakers. That's all looks very, very user friendly, very simple. Check out these instructions. That is awesome. Can't wait to read them. I don't normally read instructions, but I'm going to read those. Oh, wow. Look at this. Wow. First thing I'm thinking is they took some really good quality in packaging this thing. This is like heavy duty reinforced foam. Like this could take a beating. And the unit itself is packaged in the bag, and it also has the framework inside of it to keep it from like bumps. Wow. So it's not that big of a unit. It's not like the size of a 2 CD deck for like mixing, but it's really firm, good weight. I can tell there's like really good quality, and that it's not really light. Doesn't feel like it's gonna like slide off the table and break, Okay, and that's for the box. So I'm gonna really nice packaging. Kind of reminds me of like how the Xboxes and PlayStations come. Really super well enforced. Liking that. And then in this box, we have our power cable and the power supply converter. And the USB connector cable for your computer to hook up or your laptop so that when you want to download, and you can also, there's a feature where you can have it recording to your laptop. And you can change your channels and everything live. But if you're mobile and you're on the road, on the go, really great. You have the SD card in the back, you just hit record. If you don't have to edit it, you would just upload the card to a computer and you could upload it straight onto your podcast channel. That saves hours right there of work. And these are templates. I'm gonna guess so that you can write down what you want each sound effect to be. There's 8 key sound effects. You'd have one laughing. One can be preset as a commercial. The other can be clapping or applauding. The other could be a boo. The other could be a happy. The sky's the limit. There's presets online. So that's really cool and handy. You could have it sitting to the side and you remember what your presets are that way. So we got the power supply and power cables. Those are nice, really thick, heavy duty gauge too. I don't feel like that's gonna fray after used a couple dozen times. All right. Let's get this puppy out packaged. That is awesome. All right, so with opening it up, I can see my number 1 volume, number 2, 3, and 4 channels, my connectivity via USB, connectivity via my phone cable, and connectivity via Bluetooth. Really simple. You have mute, or you can listen to just that channel. That's what on a normal deck, so you can hear just the sound coming from that channel in case you need to adjust it. If you have a speaker who's not very loud or something like that, you can make their volume louder. And if a guy speaks loud, you can tone him down a little bit. The presets, boom, 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 ha, 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 happy and applause, whatever you preset them to. And then, really cool, one feature that they added with the Rode, you'll see this little red tag right there. What this does is it shows you that the volume control factory comes preset so that it won't blow your eardrums out and has a max number of volume. But there's an option you can go into the settings where you can turn that off, where you can then turn the volume up excessively loud to where the neighbors are hearing your headphones or whatever, if you want to think of it that way, as an option. If there's not enough volume, or if you're in a loud area or something like that, give more volume control, but at the same time safety. And then there's also a speaker output for your monitor speakers. Bam, all in one. Normally you would have to have one device that would take care of your headphones, and then you would have another device for your monitor, and then you have another device for your sound effects, and then you need another device for your Bluetooth connectivity via or your cell phone. Rode, they put them all together. Thank you. Excellent job, guys. Can't wait to get this thing fired up. It's got a Class A software in it to where it gives out the best quality of sound. Rode is a sound and musician's friend type of company, and that's what they built on. Quality sound equipment, and this looks like they're keeping up to their end of the bargain. On the back, you'll see there's a power button, the power switch, and then there's the cable to lock for your laptop lock, so you can put in your cable lock and lock it to the table, or you can put in your cable lock and lock it to your briefcase. That's really a great feature on this. It keeps laptops from being stolen, and it can even help keep your device from being knocked off the table, for example, by keeping it in place with that lock. Great feature. You got your left and right for your speakers, for your sound check room, or for your audio for the room for listening back, your headphones for your 4 channels, and these are your mic inputs. So there you are. Super high quality. Look, they even put really nice the Rode in the back. This to me, very beautiful. I can't wait to get it fired up. We got it unpackaged. Thank you for tuning in. The next video, we're gonna plug it in, we're gonna get the mics hooked up, and we're gonna see how this baby sounds. So thank you as always. Subscribe and like Lincoln Social, and our podcast will be announced soon. We have a couple interviews. What I'm planning on doing is I want to interview people and get to know them and their story, their background, what they're doing to contribute to society. And then at the end, I want to ask them crazy questions like, do you believe in UFOs? Have you ever seen one? Do you believe in Sasquatch? Do you believe the earth is flat or round? These are personable questions, and the people that I'm going to ask them to, a lot of them are very well educated people, so I'm extremely excited to see what their feedback and their answers are going to be. I don't judge. Personally, I believe the earth is round, but there are people that are flat earthers, and I would like to talk to some of them and give them a chance to explain why they feel that way, if they'd like to. And also, how are you dealing with today's social distancing? How's that affecting you? And what are you doing to prepare for when social distancing is over and we go back to having social events? Are you cleaning house? Are you doing all your spring cleaning? Are you getting all your affairs in order so that then you just have a summer of fun? I am, and I sure hope you are too. So thanks for tuning in. More to come. Rode, this is looking awesome. And this is the Rode Procaster Pro opening video. I hope you tune in, like, and subscribe. Got more videos coming. Peace and love. Stay tuned.